How to use the backtest and optimize panel. Backtesting strategies is a crucial step in developing any algo trading process. We have included this feature in a separate panel called Backtest and Optimize. In this video, we will explore the tool and its latest features and improvements. To begin, open the Backtest and Optimize panel and select your script, strategy or indicator using the lookup screen. If you want to test a new code, you will need to open a new Backtest and Optimize panel. This panel has two sections: Configuration and Backtests Management. The Configuration section allows you to set parameters and start tasks, while the Backtests Management section shows completed task history and details. To set up the testing environment, we need to select the start and end dates for the testing period. Select the Start Replaying from the Date option if your strategy needs preliminary historical data during initialization. In this case, your strategy will receive quotes from the Start Replaying from Date, while your backtesting environment will contain data beginning from the starting date. To proceed, we need to indicate the symbol for the testing environment. If necessary, there is an option to access additional environment emulation parameters for each selected symbol by clicking on the Advanced Settings button. For now, we can keep the default settings. Let's begin setting up the strategy parameters. We will need to choose a symbol and an account from the list provided in the backtesting environment. Any other parameters can be adjusted as necessary. To begin a new backtest, select the processing mode for how the backtester will replay history. We suggest starting with speed control, which allows you to adjust the replay speed interactively or pause during the test. Once you have chosen your mode, press Start Backtest and a new task will appear in the manager. This table displays various columns, including a unique ID for the current backtest. The optimization ID is blank as this task was initiated manually rather than by the optimizer. It also shows the time when the task was created and its current status. The target column pertains to the optimization mode. The comment field can be used to enter useful information about the test manually. Lastly, the Remove button can be used to halt the task and delete it from the list. One of the most exciting features available is the visualizer, which allows you to view the trades made by your strategy through different panels. To access this feature, simply click on the Visualize icon and choose the available panels to visualize the task process. By adjusting the speed control slider, you can watch the history replayed and trades taking place. While we started this task in a speed control mode, we can now easily change the processing speed or even pause it. During a pause, we can use the Next Step button to move forward to the next time interval and pause again. Such behavior exemplifies how the backtest task will start in step-by-step processing mode. An essential tool for tracking the success of your strategy is the Account Performance panel. It provides a clear display of the earnings chart, as well as the returns and drawdowns diagrams. This panel shows all of your trades and performance metrics in one place. The Backtest and Optimize panel enables the launch of multiple backtests at once, making it possible to compare the outcomes of different initial input parameters. To monitor the progress of a specific backtest task, you need to open separate visualization panels. Instead of using the speed controller step-by-step modes, you can try using the background mode for your backtest task. This mode does not allow for speed controls and processes the task at the highest possible speed. However, you can only view the results once the test is complete. Give it a try by creating a new backtest task and starting it in background mode. When each task is complete, it stays in an active visualization mode until you press the Stop Backtesting button. After that action, all of the backtest results will be stored on your PC and unloaded from the backtester panel. In order to view the previously finished results, you need to restore them from your local storage. To do this, click the visualizer icon and select Connect to the visualizer. Once connected, we will see a list of symbols used and a drop-down menu for choosing visualization panels. You can permanently delete the test results if you don't need them anymore. However, if the results look good and meet your expectations, you can quickly add your strategy for live usage to the Strategies Manager panel with the necessary parameters in place.